Hello, just now customers asked how short cable the OTDR can test. So I make the video to give you a video demo. As you know, the short cable is difficult for any OTDRs, but this mini OTDR is good at test short cables. As you can see, here I have a 3 meters fiber cable with a SC UPC connector. Then I plug it into the OTDR port. Okay, and we just turn on the OTDR and do not need to do any setting and use the auto test. Just press one button. Press this button, and the OTDR will test the fiber. It will test around 5 seconds to get results. Okay, it is testing now. Okay, as you can see, it is 3 meters. Okay, now I have a more shorter cable, the OTD, to make the test. It is 1 meter. Okay. And same as before, just press this test button and then wait around 5 seconds to get the results. Okay, as you can see, the distance is 1 meters. For marketing, we just told to our customers it can test as short as 3 meters. But actually, it can test around 1 meters.